What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl with Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a mama and them, because we litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, I have a few little ins and outs, nothing serious. So I just wanted to unbox them because I do not like stuff to just pile up in front of my mirror, because when I get stuff, spray with alcohol, sit in front of my mirror, and I just be like, oh, I can't. So I had took these out of the bag, y'all. Had bought Mama Rare some Crocs. They were too small, so yeah, I got these out of the bag before I returned them. Or no, I didn't return them. What did I do with them? I actually didn't return them. I actually had my my Nana take them to her church, so you know somebody can use them. Cause I'm just like, what's the point even returning them back? So Mama Rare got some more Crocs in her. Hopefully this will be her size. Hopefully. But yeah, y'all know Halloween is coming up soon, whenever. And y'all know I love me good old horror movies, Halloween movies. So I got me some stickers. I got It the Clown, Scream, Saw, Michael Myers, Freddy, Jason. I got pumpkins. So I just thought that was so cute. And these are from Temu. I got these little heart earrings from Temu also. I got me some more earring bags. You can never have too many earring bags. Then I got these little earrings that say love on them. I thought they were cute because they were in cursive. They remind me back in the day when I used to go to the mall and get the little necklaces made that had the wiring and cursive. Remember back in the day, y'all? I don't even know if they do that. Like, I haven't been in a mall since... Ooh, I haven't been in a mall in like forever. I think the last time I went to the mall, I was actually just going to go to, what was it, Aunt Annie's. So I wasn't actually looking in the mall. I was only going there for food. So yeah, I might have to see if they have places like those online, or if I can go to the mall, because I want to go get me another wire necklace made. And then y'all, they also have this on Temu. It's a dupe of the David Yurman bracelet, and just from the looks of it, it looks like poor quality because like this gold part was painted on. But I will wear this as costume jewelry, you know. What do you expect for something that's like $1 or $2, you know? So we got that. Then we got this little package. I'm gonna open this off camera because my address is like, child. They made sure this package got to where it was going. And I can't knock them for it, though. I appreciate it. So we're going to be throwing stuff away as we go. And y'all, I had to get this again because it has sold out. I know I did a short, I think, on here and on TikTok. If y'all not following your girl on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. Everything is at Rare Secrets. Yeah, follow your girl on TikTok. You know, I'll be putting little shorts and stuff on there. Sometimes I might upload something before I upload the actual video itself. But follow your girl on TikTok. Once again, at Rare Secrets. I be on there. But not really on there for y'all, because I'll be confused on what to do, how to do it. So I'll be like, okay. But yeah, I had to get two of these, y'all, because they had sold out. And when I had got the first one, my mom, she took it. And I don't think I ever replaced it, or either I replaced it, or I don't know. I just wanted to get an extra one. This is supposed to be the dupe, Temu's dupe version of the Joe Malone, what is it, the Sea Salt and Sage. And y'all, it smells just like the dossier version I had. And I think I got a little vial of the actual Joe Malone, because it was like a, it smells so good. You know when they give you a freebie. So yeah, y'all. Definitely. Let me just spray this in the box, because it just smells so good. Yep. So yes, if you're definitely looking for Jo Malone dupes, they have these ones. It says Warm Kiss perfume. So definitely check it out. I know when I'm searching perfumes, I just put in the search bar either perfume or fragrance or cologne, and they usually put like the top ones, or they got a whole bunch of different ones. Like if you got time to look, just definitely go in there and look. Got another bag. Open it up off camera because once again the address is definitely addressing. These are actually 2 free gifts I got for playing that goldfish game I was telling y'all about. So when you play the goldfish game, you get to pick 2 different gifts. You get like, you can either pick like perfume, clothing, food stuff, like, you know, little certain stuff depending on what you're looking for. And I guess this is supposed to be a dupe of the My Way. I want to say I smelled this like once or twice. Either, I know one time it was in Ulta, and I think the second time was in the Ulta magazine. So yeah. And it also looked like the bottle, y'all. So, and I'll probably just get this to Mama wear. It actually smells good. She'll probably like this. And then I had seen this, y'all, because they had like these body camera things, and more so like when you're out and you want to like vlog and stuff, because you can put a SIM card in here. I don't know if the SIM card came with this or not, but yeah, it has a front face screen. Let me see how you turn this on. Yeah, I got on a scarf, so I might be looking a little cray. So let's say welcome. Okay. And it has like a protector screen on here. And it has the date, the time. It's already charged. You can see me up here looking crazy. Now, I don't know how the recording, as far as like the quality, it wouldn't be nothing like, you know, maybe just something to have, like, I don't know, it's cute. It's free. So, uh-oh. Yeah, it's free. Whatever. You can't complain about no free stuff. So yeah, I got this just to play around with. Maybe like, you know, doing daily vlogs or something until I decide to invest in a camera. I don't know. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to get a camera or just stick with works as far as just using my phone. I don't know. I really don't know. I'll be thinking about it. I don't know. But, hold on, y'all. So that's that one. And I think that was all for Temu. And we got one package. So if you made it to the last of the video, good looking for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know it's all love up in this family. So yeah, we have a package. Trying to make sure I don't cut nothing. Let's see. So we got a package, y'all. I seen this purse and thought it was so cute. Of course, I got it on the gate. Got it on the gate. And this is supposed to be a dupe of the, some people call it the vintage Fendi dumpling bag, or I think the correct term is the vintage Fendi. It's ZUCCA. What is it? Zakai, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but yeah. of the bag. So it's a vintage Fendi ZUCCA bag mini. So I thought this was so cute because for some reason, I don't know, when I see like Fendi print, it just reminds me of like, I don't know, maybe like vintage glamour Hollywood, you know. So here we go with the unboxing. And I want to say this was like 20 bucks. So yes, y'all. So this is so cute. It has the double F's on the side, the chocolate brown leather or faux leather lining. Not sure if it's real or not. Right here, it does say Fendi, and it has like this push-in thing you do. Let me see. Okay, there you go. To unlock it, so you close it like that, and then y'all, excuse my phone is going off. Gold hardware. There you go. Come with a stuffer. It does come with a chocolate brown purse strap. It looks kind of little. And then a purse strap that can go over the top part. So you can wear it as like a top handle type situation. Hold on, hold on, y'all. So you can wear like a top handle, and it's so cute. It's mini. And the inside, it does not say Fendi or anything like that. It does have a pocket in the inside. Just a basic little pocket that you can put a little something in there. You know, something basic. This is my phone. My phone, I forgot what size this is. This is like a 6 point. I forgot what screen size it is, but it's kind of big, and this can fit in here. So I thought like this was pretty cool. Something just if I want to be on the go, don't want to carry too much. You know, I don't want to carry a big bag. And then it also has the Fendi logo on the zipper. So yeah, y'all, I thought this was cute. Something just to have, you know, pick up and go. Sometimes you just want to pick as you go. Got my little wallet, so I could just throw that in there. Throw my phone in there. Throw a lip gloss up in there. And call it a day. That's all I need. Unless I'm going somewhere where I need to take everything under the kitchen sink with me, then I carry a bigger purse. But if I'm just about to run to the store real quick, I need to travel light. So yeah, y'all, this is the unboxing of this bag. And once again, if you stay to the end, because I try to do it on the slick. But I got another one. And it's the exact same bag. I'm not going to open it. This is going to be a giveaway. This is a twinning giveaway. So yeah, one of the family members are going to be able to twin with me. We're going to be twinning. We're going to be matching and all of that stuff. So let's see, what's the rules? You already know it's always a hashtag word, and the rules stay the same all the time. What do you have to do? Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure if you have Twitter, or not Twitter, make sure if you have IG or TikTok that you follow me. Every name is the same on all platforms. So once again, make sure you're following on TikTok and on IG. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And this word is going to be hashtag glam. So just hashtag GLAM. Simple. That's as simple as it's gonna get. So once again, hashtag glam. Make sure you're following everything. And y'all know I usually let this go on for about 2 to 3, or if I want to push it 4 weeks, and then I usually announce the winner. So make sure you follow the rules. I will be checking, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.